WAEC Further Maths question 4 objective. Now let's see, this question says evaluate integral from 0 to 1 of x bracket x squared minus 2 all raised to the power of 2 with respect to x. Good. There are several methods that we can use to solve this question, but one of the simplest and best methods is to use integration by substitution. Let's see that. Solution: integral from 0 to 1 of x bracket x squared minus 2 with respect to x. Good. Now, from here I can say let u be equal to what is inside the bracket, that's x squared minus 2. Now, from here, if I differentiate u with respect to x, that means I will have du equal to 2x. Differentiate this. Oh, du dx, sorry. That will give me 2x. Good. 2x. Now, from here, if I cross multiply, because if you differentiate 2, you will get 0. If I cross multiply, that means I'm going to have du equal to 2x dx. Make dx the subject of formula. You have dx equal to du all over 2x. Good. Keep this result somewhere. Now, in order not to stress myself too much, I want to change the limit of this integral. So anytime, anywhere when x is 0, I will substitute here to know the value of u. So at x equal to 0, substitute x equal to 0 here, you have 0 squared minus 2. That will give me minus 2. That means u will be minus 2. Now at x equal to 1, substitute 1 here. You have u equal to 1 squared minus 2. That will give me 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. So good. That means the limit of this new integral that we want to express in terms of u will be from minus 2 to minus 1. So I can rewrite the whole of this as integral from minus 2 to minus 1 of, I have x already, multiplied by, I have taken this content as u from here. I'll say that is u. Don't forget we have power on top. Oh, sorry. We have power on top from the question. That's raised to power 2 with respect to x, dx. Now, I have made dx the subject of formula here, which is du over 2x. Let's multiply it. That's du all over 2x. Now, x can cancel x here. That will be equal to integral of u squared all over these 2 with respect to u. I can factor out, okay, don't forget, we have limit from minus 2 to minus 1. I can factor out these 2 so that I can have 1 all over 2 integral from minus 2 to minus 1 of u squared du. Differentiate, integrate u squared. That means you have 1 all over 2 times u raised to the power of 3 all over 3. In integration, we are going to add 1 to the power and divide by the new power. That's 2 plus 1 all over 2 plus 1. That will give me 3. So then the integral is ranging from minus 2 to minus 1. So from here, I will have u raised to the power of 3 all over 6 from minus 2 to minus 1. So when we multiply. So from here, I can now substitute my upper limit and the lower limit. So let's do that here. Let's do that here. When x is minus 1, when u is minus 1, I will have minus 1 raised to the power of 3 divided by 6 minus again. When u is minus 2, I will have minus 2 raised to the power of 3 divided by 6. So let's continue from the top. Minus 1 raised to the power of 3, that will give me minus 1 all over 6 minus 2 raised to the power of 3, that will give me minus 8 times the minus outside, I will have plus 8 all over 6. Now, since the denominator are the same, I can always add directly. That's minus 1 plus 8. That will give me 7 all over 6. So 7 over 6 is my answer, which can be written in mixed fraction as 1 whole number 1 over 7. Thank you.